Hello everyone, this is Mr. Olson. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Fillet tool in Autodesk Inventor. To save us some time, I've already created a cube for us. This cube is 5 by 5 by 5. You'll notice on the ribbon tool is where the Fillet tool is located in our 3D model. So here's the Fillet tool. And what the Fillet tool is going to do is add rounds or curve the edges on our object. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Fillet. You're going to have this screen that pops up. Now you can always move this screen out of the way. Now the default for our radius is 0.125 inches. So if we were to make a full circle, that would be what the radius is. So now I'm going to come over and I'm just going to click on my edges. And you're going to see that that rounds off the edges. It makes it nice and smooth. So if I hit OK, that's going to give me that rounded edge. Now if I want to change anything, I can always go back into my fillet located over in my browser. I'm going to double click that and I can say, hey, I actually wanted to add fillets all the way around. Let's say I also wanted it to be 0.25 inches. You'll see that that got bigger and I hit OK. And now when I zoom in, you can see now the edges are rounded a little bit bigger and I have all of my edges that are rounded.